much for stopping by my channel. My name is Rosetta, and today I'm going to show you how I created this black smoky eye.
I got time, it's clear to see.
So without further ado, let's begin with the video. Starting with my eyebrows, I will brush my eyebrows upwards and start filling in the gaps. This way the eyebrow looks really natural.
You and me.
This video is exclusively for the eye makeup, and so I have my base makeup put on off camera. Next, I will brush my eyebrows downwards and start filling in the gaps. Brush it once again to finish the eyebrow. Next, I'm moving to the paint pot, which is one of my favorites, and I will start cleaning the underneath of my eyebrows. I will also apply this all over my eyelids, which will really give a very good base to the eyeshadow, and this helps the eyeshadow to stay in place. With a fluffy brush, I'm blending it. And then I'm taking this color and applying it from the inner corner of my eye to the outer corner of my eye, and this will be the transition color. Slowly I will start building it. Blending is the key, guys. The more you blend, the better the results are going to be. Next, I'm taking this brown color shade and applying it on my crease, starting from the inner corner of my eye to the outer corner of my eye. I'm taking the brush back and forth and also circular motions. Slowly, I will add color and build the shade.
I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Till the time I'm happy with the intensity, I'm adding colors and taking it a little above my crease. Next, I'm taking this black shade and placing it right at my crease. Again, starting from the inner corner of my eye to the outer corner of my eye. And this time I'm not going to take it above the crease. I'm going to keep this color on my crease and below that.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
With the blending brush, just smoothen the edges and keep adding color till you're happy with the intensity. I'm now taking this gel liner and applying it on my eyelid.
Take a step back.
Starting from the lash line till the area where I have applied the black eyeshadow, I will place this gel liner. Don't worry if it is not perfect, because we are going to blend it anyway. When it is still tacky, I will dip my brush into the black eyeshadow and dab it on the gel liner. Along with that, I will start blending it in small circular motions. I will also take it back and forth so that it blends nicely and gets merged with the black eyeshadow. Keep blending it, guys. As I told you, blending is the key to a very good makeup. Next, I'm brushing the powder which I have applied to avoid any fallout. I'm applying the kajal
bird on a tree.
And with a very flat
I'm
brush,
just sitting
I'm smudging the
here.
kajal which I have applied
I
on
got
my waterline.
time. It's clear to see from up here.
And then I'm dipping my brush
The
into the
world
black
seems
eyeshadow
small.
again and smoking the lower
We
lash
can
line.
sit together.
If you
It's
haven't
so
subscribed to my
beautiful.
channel yet, please
You
consider
and
subscribing,
me.
guys. And also, if you have any
We're
request for
meant to
any makeup
be
tutorial, let me know in the comment section below.
in the great outdoors. Forever
Next,
free.
I'm curling my lashes. I like to curl my lashes before applying mascara, and I will apply a coat of mascara also on my lower lashes.
Sometimes you need to go and take a
Next, I'm
step
applying my
back
falsies and again
to see
coating
the
it with
truth
mascara.
around you. From a distance you can tell.
And here's my favorite palette, that is the lip palette, and today I'm going to use this shade.
You and me,
I'm applying a nude color because the eye
meant to
makeup
be
is so intense. So in order to
in the
balance
great
the entire
outdoors.
look, I'm applying a nude shade on my lips.
Forever free.
So starting with lining my lips,
You
I
and
will
me,
finish it with the lip color.
meant to be in the great outdoors.
I really love this lip
Forever
color
free.
because it really goes well with this look. To finish off, I'm highlighting my brow bones and the inner corner of my eyes. And along with that, I am also highlighting the other areas of my face.
Like a bird on a tree. I'm just
And
sitting here.
this is the finished look.
I got time. It's clear to see from up here.
With a little
The
bit of
world seems
rosiness on the
small.
cheeks, this look goes so well
We can sit
entirely. I am loving this look.
together.
Let me know how you guys
It's
liked
so
it. And
beautiful.
if you liked this video,
You and me,
please hit the like button and also
we're
share
meant
this
to be
video.
in the great
Don't forget to comment
outdoors.
what you thought about this video.
Forever free.
And thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.